very, very interesting week in the market over here. I feel like you guys are starting to see a trend over here. If not, I think you're gonna need some better prescription, or even a prescription to begin with. The LTMP group is off to yet another very, very, very hot start in the market with 500 and 600% gains on Apple. We've got GameStop ripping over here too. That was another setup outlined for you guys off of the weekly watch list. Again, a lot of you guys are already risk-free on that one, so anything can happen to that, and you guys are just going to be able to ride it out. Maybe it skyrockets, maybe it doesn't, but guys, this is why everybody's able to have so much more success in LTMP with us than any other group that you guys have ever seen. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll talk a little bit about the price increase coming up for LTMP and the ability for you guys to lock in the lower rate, the 50% off discount with code September. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of day again. Say good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you guys would like to say good morning to me, would love to receive some good mornings over here. If you guys are new to the group, new to the stream, new to the channel, let me know. I'd love to welcome you guys in here. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Costs you absolutely nothing to do it, but helps me out a whole lot, spreading these streams out to as many people who actually want to learn. We have a 200 like goal on the stream, and remember, I don't make any money from these streams, guys. I'm the only person that you guys know on YouTube that is literally demonetized for talking about how many 10x plus trades that they've handed out to their students. Now, in the last 2 months, there's been 18 of them. In the last 2 weeks, there's been 8 of them. You guys have had everything that you could have possibly ever wanted out of the market right in front of you the entire time. All you got to do is start listening and adopting the LTMP methodology, and the whole market will just open up to you. So team, let's do a little bit of a roll call here. Let's see, kind of go through everything that's happening in the market and get you guys prepared here. So let's see who we've got. We've got Eddie, Gene, Dawn, Gerald, Jay, Jesse, Dawn, Reaper, Sylvian, Diego, Michael, Iro, David, Adrian, Drew, Billy Bats. We've got Francisco, Mark, Michael, B-Dash, Mr. DK, and Sylvian. Need help to connect with Discord. All you have to do, like I've said many times in the past, all you got to do is connect your Discord account to your WAP account, and you will be automatically let into LTMP. That is first step. Moderna, Basin Break, starting to move there, looking very good. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen, 50% on GME already. There you go, guys. We were having so much fun on the morning stream just joking around about GameStop over here. I mean, I was up like, what, 40-something% on them? Maybe less now because it sold off a little. Yeah, 27%. That could be a really fun one, guys. So, folks, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We've got a 200 like goal on the stream. I don't want to see any slackers over here, especially from you guys that are already in LTMP. You guys know the deal with what we do over there. Apple, absolutely phenomenal trade here from the breakout on Friday. Guys, I keep saying this. I don't know how many more times that you guys need to see me call out the most disgusting trades in the market. What did we have last week? 1,000% Tesla, 2,000% Baidu, 3,500% Intel, 5,000% IO and Q. It just goes on and on and on. I keep telling you, I'm just going to keep doing this, and I'm showcasing this to you guys every single day. Every single day I come out here and I'm like, hey guys, look, you probably should be doing this instead of all the other nonsense that you're doing. Why? Because it's the best way to operate. How do I know that? Because every single person that joins LTMP that was like, oh my God, I was trying to day trade before, I was trying to do all these other things, they join LTMP, and the most common piece of feedback that we receive is that people wish that they were doing this the entire time that they've been operating in the market. So, we'll talk a little bit more about that in a little bit, but next week, prices are going to be going up. If you want to lock in the lower rate, make sure you use code September. That'll allow you to get 50% off your first month and lock in the lower rate before prices go up. Again, that means that the price you join at, it'll never go up on you. So, Moderna looking great over here. First target, 28.50. Tesla's pumping. Yeah, for those of you guys that are still in that Tesla move too, oh my God, that's got to be ripping even more now. It's like, guys, there's too many of these epic gains to count, like these epic successes that we've had. They're not going to stop either, so don't miss it. If you miss it, there's going to be no, oh, sorry, STV, I missed the deadline. You guys have had more than a year to be able to hop in. So, gold looking good today. Markets rallying back up after that pretty decent sell-off there. Moderna really starting to get a little action here. That's good. Who called that this morning? Was it Reaper? Let's see. 200% on your IBM calls. Alex, congratulations. Guys, we are almost 5 likes away here, too, from 50. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Oh, yeah, Moderna's looking good. GameStop selling off a little bit there. That's fine. I'm really not expecting much with this. Is Spot setting up? Let's actually take a look at that. That is, yeah, that Spot is starting to set up here. Taylor, good call. Good call. That could be a really, really, really fun one. Moderna looks phenomenal there, though. You can't see it anymore? That's weird. Framita, you want to send me a DM? I'll get you set up with a link. An affiliate link if you want to. Let's see. Moderna looks good. Yeah, everything's looking pretty interesting. I mean, a lot of things that I like thinking about this week, they're all very, very size for zero. I've been talking about with you guys too, like, I want to be in some more of them. And you guys know how I feel with, like, drama on the charts. I was like, I'll just size them for 0 and just let them rip, you know? BBA, I about to have a bullish crossover in the moving averages. I don't really care about that. I actually don't care about that at all. BBAI? Dude, this is the... No. This is the definition of a chip. You would have looked at it maybe here on this breakout, but again, there was only really 2 days there. AST, I forgot about ASTS too, guys. That was another really good one. In QS, where's QS right now? This is another one that we outlined. That one ran up. I mean, that hit the that first TP area today, 1350 something. There you go. And then what else? Yeah, Qualcomm's another very, very solid setup there. But I like that. Where is ASTS though? Is that still moving? Yeah, ASTS is another great one, guys. I'm just gonna keep doing this. It's not gonna stop. Like the question again that you're gonna have to ask yourself is not whether or not LTMP worked. Obviously, that has been proven time and time again at this point. But the question is, how many more of these epic life-changing trades are you going to miss? Is it going to be the next 5 of them that I call out this week? 10, 15, 20? Because I'm just going to keep doing it. I'm just going to keep doing it for everybody. So why do you think LTMP is so successful? Everybody's crushing it. It's because of the way that we operate in the market and the way that I teach things. So let's see what we get. GME doing its thing. Market's moving up here. Here we go. Yeah, hit the like button on the weigh-in team. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot. Community gains. What do we got? Oh, God. 115% GME. What else we got? NBIS, 124%. Jogging Lake is up 18% on his account for the day. We've got 170% GameStop, 145% GameStop, 64. This is crazy. 137% GameStop. Here's the big one. 628% Apple. You're welcome. That's the best thing about LTMP, guys. You're done for the week now. You nailed Apple for 628% coming into this week. You're done. You don't have to do anything else. 0. NVTS. Let's take a look. I love victory lapping because it's just not going to stop. I actually like how this is starting to set up here. I think we talked about this last week. Give it a few days. I'm going to put a placeholder alert on it right here. But yeah, that looks good. ASTS, that's still looking good. Where is SMCI? How's that looking here? We'll see. You still got that big breakout level at 47. Apple was on the watch list. It should have been. Not going into this week, but it was definitely one that we talked about on the streams a lot. It should have been on the watch list. It may not have been, but it was on the streams. Yeah, I don't think it was on the watch list, but it was on the streams. Oracle, that's an interesting one. I'm not really the biggest fan of that, like I was telling you. Some autism announcement today? Yeah, I think so. I think so. Last week. Was it on? Oh, yeah, it was on the stream. Spot looks good, though. I'd actually be interested. This is probably, honestly, this could be like a monthly setup. How does this look on the weekly? It looks pretty, I mean, it's not textbook, but like you look at that on the weekly, that's a good looking chart. Let's see, what else do we have in community gains? 43% on GameStop. Nice. Nice. Guys, the entry was very clearly outlined, 26.47. It either hits or it doesn't. Like, that's the thing. Like, this is so size for zero for, oh my god. It's so funny when everybody just, like, goes crazy when I start talking about GameStop. It's like, guys, just quiet. I'm literally trolling. Like, that tweet is literally me being, like, making fun of the people that are still talking about this. It's a trade setup. It hits or it doesn't. You got, spot, give it a few days. There's nothing on it yet. If there was an alert, I would have told you. There's nothing on it yet. Moderna, looking great. When you talk about it on the stream, can you please put it in the Discord as well? No, there are way too many things that we talk about during the stream. It would be impossible for me to put all of them in there. Impossible. Like, think about it. It's like, how long am I streaming during the day? It's like from basically 9 o'clock until 12. There's way too many tickers for me to then just, like... And then the people in the streams are talking about it. The people in the chats are talking about it. It's like... It's impossible for me to do that. There's so many tickers that we talk about. Let's see. I'm not even in Apple. I don't have it. I wish I did. Oops, I'm moving stuff around. Whoopsies. Like, if I see one I really like, it will go in the Discord. But Apple was like, it looked okay. It broke quick and then just ripped. When Moas! Pay attention or pay a premium. Exactly. IBM, yeah. Well, I forgot to talk about this one with you guys. That was another great one from the breakout here. You've got, what, 260.50 right here. Breakout, bing, bang, boom, to the upside. Hits that target today and just ripping. Next target on IBM is 281. That's insanity. IBM, 280%. Guys, I'll throw the link to LTMP right now for you guys in the, what do you call it? In the live chat right now. Use code September, get 50% off your first month. I mean, how many more of these are you guys gonna miss? Seriously. Prices are going up next week. Lock in the lower rate, or you're gonna be subjected to the higher rate when you finally do realize that this is the thing that you should be doing. Not everything, but only the best setups. Well, that also, food and travel, that also would imply that I know which ones are gonna do. Yeah, I don't. I know that the way that we trade, every single trade that I outline has the potential to run that much. But obviously, I don't know that when I outline Apple that it's going to be the next 1,000%er. Like, every one that I outline has the potential to be the next 1,000%er, which is why I've been able to hand out almost 20 of them in the last 2 months. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, Moderna looking really good there. Yeah, those look good. The Ryan method. I'm going to start doing it a little bit more. Like, I started doing it today. Like, I have a lot of stuff size for zero now. And I just am going to let it go. And just let stuff ride. Like, first target on Moderna here is like 28.58. But, like, I'm really not even going to look at it until it gets there, if it does. But again, if you guys have any questions about LTMP and why it is so, like, why I'm able to showcase to you guys every single week the results that I am, just ask. Because this is, like, life-changing stuff that I wish everybody knew. This is why I do this for everybody. Market pushing here. There we go. I can't believe that people are actually going crazy on this freaking tweet. It's so funny. They're still really hyped up about GameStop, guys. I'm gonna trade the crap out of it. You guys are a lot of you guys are already risk-free on GameStop. You guys can just let this thing rip. If the cat tweets, oh my god, this thing's going over 30. Like, boom. He could tweet anything. He could tweet a picture. This is a GME channel now. What do we got here? What am I up on him? 30-something%? No, only 28. Boo-hoo. Oh no. Yeah, guys, I'm just going to keep handing out the filthiest setups in the market to everybody. You're either going to keep seeing that after another round of 20 10x trades, or you're not. I mean, here comes GameStop again. DM in the chat. Huh? What? Wow, Gene, there you go. Up $2,000. I believe that's today. Congratulations. That's awesome. That's awesome. The results that I see in LTMP, guys, in the community gain section every day are unlike anything that I've ever seen before. I literally, like, guys, we are doing things within LTMP that the trading space has literally never seen. Like, I get it. It is crazy that I'm coming out here every single week and being like, look, here's another 3 10x trades that you guys have been able to hit. I understand it's nuts, but that's because it's something that nobody's ever seen before, you know? It's like, oh, like not the magnitude of gains, not the consistency at which I'm able to hand these out to everybody. And the beautiful thing is it's not hard. When you guys see how simple this is, when you watch those course curriculum videos, which is step 1, you're going to be like, why wasn't I doing this the entire time? And I'm going to be like, I don't know. I've been trying to tell you guys. I try to help you. Pay attention or pay a premium, you know? Gold still looking good up here from that 317 entry. That was another 10xer. Bing, thanks. It is beautiful. Yeah, it's like nobody's ever seen this stuff before. So I get why people think it's crazy. Also, for everybody on Twitter, because I tweeted this weekend, and I do this sometimes where I'm like, you guys drop 100 likes and 50 retweets on the tweet, I'll give you guys the next 10xers. It was GME that I was going to give out to everybody. All you had to do was like the tweet. All you had to do. I was going to post GME. There's the tweet. Just last week, we had 5,000% IONQ, 3,500% Intel, 2,000% Baidu, and 1,000% Tesla. And I said, if you don't do it, I'm just going to save it for the LTMP group. And that's what I did. And now we're printing. There you go. If this goes through the highs here, guys, this could get really fun. Moderna, new highs. We're looking good, folks. We are looking good. There's LMT back. Oh, wait. I thought that was... Oh, no. I thought that was higher. Interesting. Yeah, any questions on tickers? Anything you guys want to take a look at, let me know. Oh, we haven't gone through some of the most popular ones yet. How's Palantir doing? Still looks good. I mean, I gave you guys 2 breakouts on this one recently. You had this one at, what was it, 163. Then you had this breakout on Thursday at like 171, 172. That was another good one there. SoFi. Is SoFi cracking 30 yet in the market? There it is. Wow, guys. SoFi above 30 is just insane. Like, this is a name that I gave you guys a little bit over a year ago as a really, really, really solid mid to long-term investment idea at $6.55. The stock is at $30 now. And that doesn't even account for the weekly breakout that I gave everybody for free on Twitter and in the YouTube streams here at $13.60 at this purple line that you see. Like, guys, you really don't have any excuse at this point to not be making money in this market, especially if you hang around these streams if you're an LTMP. Like, this is like the only thing that you could ever ask for. First trade of the week, and already covered your membership fee. There you go. Vix is literally the most transparent guy in the space. If you don't join, just close your brokerage and save yourself a ton of pain. I would agree with that. I would agree with that. Let's see. Moderna ripping. Ripping. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. I love it. I love my job. It's so much fun. Watching all you guys just make stupid amounts of gains every single day. Yeah, like we were talking about with LMT, it's like that's like, remember this breakout that we caught? Like, this is great for shares. It's not, if it goes, it'll be a great options trade, or you just really size it for 0, which is what I did. So let's see, guys. I'm going to keep doing this. Oh my God. They are actually going crazy on the GameStop stuff. This is so funny. This is actually hilarious. It looks good. I mean, it's just a chart, guys. It's just a chart. I didn't get Moderna, so probably the next 1000%er, especially if Ryan bought. I don't know if Ryan has it. I have it. Hit that alert that I outlined on the morning stream, and there it goes. I'm only up like 14% on them. 31% GME. I took a little dabble into SMCI and LMT too, but very small. Very small. Moderna share straight up 2% in a half hour. I mean, guys, how many more do you want to see? I'm just gonna keep doing it. It's not hard. It's really easy, actually. Is it too late to get into Moderna? Yep. On the stream, somebody was looking at this and they were like, oh, great basin break here. And I was like, oh yeah, I love that. Right here, 26. Breaks 26 at 26.58. Looks great. DJT now set to collaborate with Turning Point. Oh, that's interesting. Are they gonna just start pumping stuff like that or no? Because that looks interesting, honestly. I don't know if I touch that, but that does look very interesting. Literally the best way to start the morning. Account is up 30% today and still ripping. Austin, congratulations, buddy. Up 105% on GME. Congratulations, guys. There you go. I'm up like 32% on them. I have October's. But if the cat tweets, it's gonna be a lot more. Those are the ones that can get fun. Like, if it goes, it could be a really fun one. Don't chase it now. You're late. This is what I was talking about on Twitter this weekend when I was like, if you guys drop some likes on the tweet, I'll give you guys some tickers. This was the one. Yeah, Reaper. Good work. Yeah, that was a great find. That is the other beautiful thing about LTMP 2, guys. And it's like, like we are basically eagle eye. We see everything in the market. Like, that's one of the main reasons why I can sit here and say it's not about which massive trades that we've hit in the last 2 months here, because there's been so many epic stocks that have fired off. It's really a question of which ones have we missed, because I don't think that there's any out there. You can think of almost any stock that has made a massive move in the last 2 months here, and we've been all over each and every single one of them. But there's probably a couple that we weren't spot on with that I just didn't see. But like Open at 265, like Nio at $5, MSOS at 324, Tessie on the breakout, like every single one, guys, we've been all over. Is the cat still tweeting? The cat hasn't tweeted yet. Every single one. Does everyone think I'm gonna stock Lucky Charm now? No. Well, you just take everything. You DM'd on Instagram? Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll get you a link. Kev over here, up 702% on Apple right now. Would you guys like 700% gains? I think obviously I would. Great work, Kev. 6 free GME contracts for this week. Ian, great work, guys. Oh my God. What about Tem? What did I say? Probably 5 times today about Tem. In the chats, in the streams, I probably said it like 3 times in the market chat this morning, and then also on the streams. What did I say? What do I say every single time a stock gap's up over a level? This is guys, this is literally a perfect example of why I say the things that I do. One of the main things that I say all the time, guys, is we do not buy gap ups, we sell them. Here you go. We sell gap ups, we don't buy them. Why are we talking about other tickers? GME only? That's good. Let's see. Yeah, we don't buy gap ups. LMT moving back up there. That's good. Moderna looking great. You want to look at AI? I don't think I like this. Oh, no, I do. I do like AI here. It's just, I'd like it to have one more day. I'll throw an alert there just in case, but like that could be a very fun one. Baba, I'm pretty sure I like Baba. It's just really extended. That's the issue I have with this. Like, think about it like this too, Yanni. We already nailed China. Like, I had, what, 250, 300% on PDD. You guys had the 2,000%er on Baidu. I don't really feel the need to do anything else in China right now because we've already done our dirty work in that sector, you know? Yeah, I like it. I like AI. Dawn, I like that ticker. I have an alert on it. If it goes, it goes. I mean, maybe I take a little something on it, but LMT starting to move. Moderna looking great. GME looking good. If you buy gap ups, you become... Yeah, like, guys, I say that a lot. Like, pay attention or pay a premium. You don't buy gap ups. You sell them. Johnny Ray, 745% on Apple. Guys, it is... here we go. Is this going to be... Guys, it's very possible that this is now going to be the 19th 10x trade that I've called out in the last 2 months, and 9 of them coming in the last 2.5 weeks. 9. If you guys watched the Instagram video that I posted this weekend, like, you literally just needed like 3 of them that I just randomly outlined to be up, what, 102 times your risk, which is 1%. Like, it's ridiculous, guys. So here's the link for LTMP. Prices are going up significantly next week. If you want to lock in the lower rate, so the price is never going to go up on you. The price you join at is the price that you pay. Use code September. You also get 50% off your first month and start making these games with us. GME looking for new highs over here. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. CoreWeave I don't like. We looked at that this morning. Here comes GME. Lockheed looks good. Moderna new highs. We're in position A, ladies and gentlemen. We are in position A. That's where we like to be. So, again, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot spreading these streams out, guys. I don't make any money from these streams. I'm literally demonetized for talking about how many 10x trades that I hand out to LTMP. That is, like, legitimately the reason that YouTube cited. They were like, oh, you're putting this in the title and talking about this? No. And and that happened before, I talked about this on Friday. I was like, that happened before the big run that we've had. And quite honestly, the fact that YouTube did that, it's not about the money. I literally don't care about the YouTube revenue at all. 0. It makes I spend it on dinner. But I took it personally that YouTube was like, oh yeah, this isn't possible. I was like, okay, watch this. Here's 19 10x trades in the last 2 months. 19 of them. Well, not actually right now. Apple hasn't quite done it yet, but it's very close and looks like it wants to. So it's 18, but it's about to be 19, I think. And then you've got Moderna, then you've got Lockheed, then you've got GME. You've got, like, every single one. That's why everybody has success, guys. Every single trade that I outline has the potential to run like crazy. 100%, multi-hundreds and multi-thousands of percent. There you go. So pay attention or pay a premium. The prices are only going up. It's never going to be cheaper than it is right now. GameStop looking for new highs. Come on. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Just one tweet. If he does it, it's... Because think about it like this. Do you guys remember the GameStop trade I gave you guys last year? This is the one that we were talking about this morning in the stream and kind of why I'm a little bit interested in this. This is just perfect setup on GameStop here. Breaks to the upside, you get a little bit of a move, and then you get the tweet. And then, boom, you blast to the upside, then you get a perfect parabolic short setup. The stock went from what? The breakout level was 1743. The stock peaked in the 60s. Are you kidding me? Target on AI, what do you think it is? What do you think it is? Let's see. It hasn't broken out yet, but what do you think the target would be? Lulu? Kinda. I see what you're saying there, but it's not quite there yet. What is Kitty's name? It's Roaring Kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. 1850 on AI? Let's look. 22. Well, the breakout's 1835, but the the first target would be 22. Don't forget to click the like. Thanks always, Forward. You got a good TikTok idea? Cole, well, Cody started doing it. So, yeah, shout out to you guys. If you guys, also, Cody, you got to DM me so I can give you the affiliate code once you have the ability to put a link in there. But, yeah, if you guys got, if I told you guys, if you guys want to clip all the crazy things that I say on the stream and do it and have the affiliate, go for it. I just want to, I think that would be funny to see all the crazy things that I've said on the stream. Which, there's a lot of them. Like, the one that Cody did was funny. Moderna, new highs. There we go. SMCI moving back. Look at that, guys. Oh, no. Moderna's up 6% today, and a lot after we nailed it. Oh, look. Another one. Are you convinced yet? How about after... I said this like 10x trades ago. I was like, guys, I'm going to keep doing it. I said it 15 10x trades ago. I said it 20 10x trades ago. Just gonna keep doing it. Yeah, you're right there on AI. I actually really like that. Ooh, we're cruising today, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, here we go. SoFi's looking great. Congratulations to all the SoFi holders. LTMP was given this one at $6.55. That's my average. Stock's at 30.20. I love it. I love it. Rivian? Let's take a look. It looks interesting. I don't know how to give this up here. Yeah, it's okay. It's just very wicky. I don't really want this anymore. You know, it's just like me. Moderna looks good. GME looks good. Lockheed looks okay. SMCI is moving back up. AI is really close. I might take that if it hits. Just a little bit. Pull Orion. Let's see. Where's the market? It's just kind of going vertical. Onan? Nah, I don't really like that. That's not really there. What's this, 35? That's really close. ULS? No, that's too crazy of a wick. AI is ripping? Not really. I mean, it's, there it goes. That's right there. The chart recently? It was a last week setup? Oh. You already hit day low of breakout day, so you shouldn't be in that. Breakout day was here. Well, if it's this one, then no, you still have room. But if it's this one, which oh no, it is this one. So you technically still have room if you size it for 0. It's first target up at here. Let's see. GME, another one, 127%. Great work, guys. Guys, I'm telling you. What else do we have? I mean, the Apple one was the most ridiculous one of this week so far. 745% Apple. That is looking like it's going to be the 9th 10x trade in the last 2.5 weeks, and also the 19th in the last 2 months. Pay attention to pay a premium. I'm just going to keep doing this for LTMP, guys. It is not going to stop. GME's flirting with new highs here. It's flirting. It's flirting. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Moderna looking phenomenal here, too, guys. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord, guys. Who else is doing this stuff for you? I can tell you, nobody. Nobody. There's Lockheed. Come on. Yeah, 33% on GME. Bloomberg posted GME? What do you like? What'd they post about it? Kind of tired. I feel like I'm getting sick. I'm gonna stop that. I have a big week next week. Oh, GameStop shares hit 3.5-month high, last up 4.5%. I saw that come through. I just saw that come through. Is Moderna gonna reach 30? I don't know. Maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. First target, 28.50. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I know it seems like I can see the future, guys, because I've called out every single epic trade in the market over the last 2 months, but like, it's just a very simple, repeatable process. It's like the outcome of one individual trade is meaningless when every single one that I outlined for you guys has the potential to run multi-hundreds and multi-thousands of %, and that's what a lot of them do. All I'm doing is, okay, we get the breakout, we have our levels. If it hits it, great, that's where we trim, and we just keep trimming all the way up. That's it. Very simple. I'm not looking to predict where it's going to go. All I'm looking for is, okay, here's a level that makes sense to trim at. That's it. Kevin, 825% on Apple. Oh my God. LTMP, guys. Less trades, more profits. Prices are going up. Make sure you lock in the lower rate before that happens next week. They're going up a lot more. I told you guys where the prices are going. They're going to eventually go to $199 a month for LTMP. So for those of you guys that are still on the sidelines, you still have a little bit of time to lock in these really lower rates and get 50% off your first month with code September. I'll actually throw that in the that link in the live chat here for you guys, for those of you guys that are still missing it. But it's pinned to the top too. There you guys go. GME looking for new highs. Moderna looks good. Lockheed looks good. Everything looks good here, guys. Look at this. Look at this. GME looking for new highs. Let's see. Moderna, flirting. Looks good. Looks real good, guys. Well, there he is, 905% on Apple. Guys, that looks like it's going to be the 9th 10 extra. There it is. 1,000% Apple. There's another one. Boom. Boom. Any questions, everybody? Samuel, congratulations, man. Oh, my God. I'm going to get a little harsher. It's like, guys, really, everything that you've ever wanted out of the market has been right in front of you the entire time. Johnny is also up 1,000% on Apple. That's insane, guys. That's ridiculous. That's 10x again. 214% on IBM, and they're already free. There you go. Would I sell shares on Sofi right now? No, why? Apple. There it is. You guys can trim it 1,000% if you want to, but like next target on Apple here, guys, if you want to keep holding after the target from this morning is 260. 260. It's crazy. I tell you guys all the time, the trading community and just the overall like financial community on the internet here has never seen anything like what we're doing in LTMP. They're never gonna see it anywhere. They're never gonna see it again after I stop doing this. So, again, pay attention or pay a premium. These moves are just gonna keep happening. Like I said, it's like how many of you? I said this like Thursday. I said it Friday. It's like how many more of these are you comfortable missing? I don't know. It's pretty ridiculous. Pretty ridiculous gains. LMT, that could be a real fun one. Moderna could be a real fun one. GME could be a real fun. There's a lot of ones out here, guys. That could be very, very, very fun. Guys, it's Monday. Think about it like this. It's Monday, and we've already gotten a 10x. It's Monday at 11:11 in LTMP. You're done for the week. You hit Apple 10x there. You're done. Thanks. Anytime in the next 5 years? Probably. Probably. I told you that there's a lot of cool stuff coming. 280 next target on IBM. Let's take a look. I think it is. Yeah, it's like up here. Yeah. 281, 280. I like that. It's like this. Yeah, 280. Moderna looking great, man. Look at that thing go. Look at that thing go. Ooh, I think I'm going to get... Oh, I got something fun I'm doing tonight. Moderna new highs. I like that. Imagine just 10x. Like, guys, that's 19 10x trades in the last 2 months. Name anybody else in the history of the trading space that's done that. Anybody. There's nobody that's done this. Nobody. If people had the ability to show you guys the results like I have with LTMP, they would, but they can't, so they don't. Simple as that. A lot of financials look to be setting up. Where's XLF? Yeah, it looks decent. I mean, where's JP? We'll look at some of them. I don't really like that. These are always wonky ones. Wells Fargo looks okay, but it needs some time. Bank of America. We nailed this one, I think, was Bank of America right here. That was disgusting. What are some of the other ones? GS, Goldman. Yeah, they look okay. They're not great, though. They're like meh. You know? Moderna looking for 27. Oh my god. Yep, done for the week. Thanks, LTMP Group. Gene. Congratulations. Congratulations. That's awesome. That's awesome. Great work, guys. I mean, seeing you guys have the success that you've had, it's nothing like like, I've never seen it before. It's crazy what we've been able to accomplish so far, and it's only going to keep getting better. LMT is getting real close. Real close. Where's GameStop? 27. That's good. As long as it's above 27. I mean, I don't really care, though. Like, it's like great chart. Like, you got the great breakout here at 26.45. They're probably going to do some nonsense to it at some point today. It's size for CR. We're going to let it go, see what happens, you know? If it rips and the cat starts tweeting, okay, then it could get really fun there. But if he doesn't, it's still a good setup that could easily follow through. You know? Like, think about that, guys. We had like 4 10x trades last week, and like, it's Monday, and we already have one. Rivian, I don't really like, Michael. Not the biggest fan of that. Let's see. I mean, Moderna looks absolutely phenomenal here, guys. Phenomenal. You can get, if you think you can get above 27, that could be great. RKT? No, you don't want RKT anymore. That's outside the range. You don't want that. Community gains, everybody that's in Apple now. Samuel, Johnny, and Kev now are up over 10x on the Apple trade. 1,038%. Are you convinced yet? How many more do you want to see, guys? I'm just going to keep doing it. It's not going to stop. It's how we trade. Every single one has the potential to do it. And that's why you guys see these so much. Hood all-time high breakout? Let's look. Give it a few days. That needs a few days to get me interested. GB flirted with that high. It's not great that it didn't break it. But we'll see. Again, it's like size for 0, let it rip. Let it rip. Do your worst. Moderna looks phenomenal. XYZ downside watch. We're obviously not touching that, but that's interesting. Yeah, 25% on Moderna. That looks good. Good start there. Really good start, guys. Apple still running. Yeah, next target, guys, 260 on it. Yeah, I mean, honestly, what do you guys expect at this point? Like, I'm gonna, like, this is what we do. You either see it after the last 19 of these, or you're just... honestly, I hate to say it this way, but if you're not convinced that, like, quit trading, seriously, because this is the only thing that you could ever possibly need. It is so mind-numbingly simple what these setups are and how to execute them. It's not difficult. The people that tell you that trading is hard are the ones that, one, are not very good teachers, and they just don't have the ability to, like, project their information so that in an easy to understand way, and 2, they don't actually have a statistically repeatable process and approach to making money in the market. Where's that 100x at? If you guys want a 10,000% trade, I mean, it's coming. I mean, I've seen 2 8,000% trades this year with LTMP. One 6,300%. I've seen a few 5,000%. I've seen quite a few 4,000%. Some 2,000%, and there's been a lot of 1,000%. A lot. Like, think about it. 19 of them in the last 2 months. That's a lot. Nobody's ever done that before. There's Moderna over 27. That's really good. That's really good there. Let's see if that can continue. I find stocks that are about to explode before they do, and I tell all of you guys about it. And I show you how to execute them. It's way simpler than you could ever think it is. Oracle's pumping. Yeah, that was one. Dawn kept bringing that one up. There wasn't like a clean level for me to want this. Like, where's the level? Like, you gonna take it above Friday's high? Like, maybe. right here, I don't know. It's already up 3.6%, 3.7%. It's not really one that I want, you know? 43 quick? No problem, man. That's what I'm here for. And then again, when you guys do hop into LTMP, remember, when you join on WAP, there's nothing on WAP. So it's all on Discord. All you got to do is connect your Discord account to your WAP account, and you're good to go. You'll get let in. I'll send you the to the start here area. First things first, go through the Swing Kings course curriculum. Doesn't matter if you think you're the best trader in the world or if you're brand new to the market. That will get you going in the right direction. It'll make the watch list a lot easier to understand. That's like, you won't understand the watch list until you go through the course curriculum videos. And it literally will only take you maybe an afternoon to like get a good grasp of what we're doing here. And you're gonna be like, oh wait, that's that easy? I'm like, yes. It's mind-boggling to me why more people don't operate in the market like this and instead try and do all this other nonsense that just is proven not to work. I don't understand it. It logically does not make any sense for people to be doing most of the things that they do in the market, especially when I'm showing you guys this stuff all the time. Palantir, what's it doing now? Nothing. I mean, you ran up really nicely off of those 2 breakout levels that I gave you. But again, Palantir from like an investment perspective, this is not one that you buy. It's not one that you short. This is another. I gave this one to you guys at what? 15? It's at 178. It's pretty good. I was out at 71. I was like, there's no way I can keep holding them. It's to me, it's wildly overvalued. Doesn't mean that it can't keep going though. We're in GME. Yeah, GME, I mean, again, guys, that was what I was talking about when I tweeted out this weekend. I was like, if you guys like the tweet here, you get 100 likes on the tweet, I'll send you a ticker. And it was going to be GME. And you missed it. And you missed all the ones last week. And you missed Apple. And you missed, like... VKTX. That doesn't look bad. It's just biotech. I usually stay away from this. Can we get some magnets on the chart? No, we're not that dumb. We're not going to be that dumb. It looks great, though. So let's see if we can go through and break that high. That'd be great if it can. And then kind of go from there, you know? Like, guys, it's just a chart setup, and I'm going to troll like crazy. It's a great setup. You give me a setup like that, I'm gonna go near it. You know? BWTX is not a ticker. I'm pretty sure we looked at that earlier. BWXT? Oh, there it is. That doesn't look bad. I think we have a alert on that. It's not bad. It's probably not one that I would go for, but it doesn't look terrible. All right, GME. What's the high? 27.27, so you're 7 cents away from the high. I want to see it break the high. It's getting close. It could do it. Market looks... it's a topping candle on the 15-minute. I'd be a little careful over here. Let's see what we got. I mean, this is just looking great. Let's see if this can push this week. This would be a nasty... Like, if you see Moderna really break out here, guys, like, this could be just ridiculous. So, we'll see. It looks awesome off of this base and break. Like, really good. That's an epic start. So, we've got another one cooking there. IONQ is still going? What in the... Guys. Oh, yeah. I mean, this... Guys, this trade setup right here, this was 5,000% for LTMP. There you go. Perfect. Everybody in LTMP will look at this and be like, yep, textbook. Bing. There it is. That's how it works. A lot of slackers on the like button today, too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Target on Moderna. What do you think it is? Yanni, never again ask, what is it? Say, is this the target? And then outline the target. You have to start trying to think for yourself. This is why I was like, I think it was Friday or something, where I was like, guys, we can't be doing this. It's not that difficult. And I've said the first target for Moderna a lot too. On the chart, where does it look like the first target is for Moderna? The reason why I do things that way, guys, and I tell you guys this a lot, there's a very, very, like, important reason why everybody in LTMP that joins is able to have so much more success than in other groups. It's because I don't run it like these other idiots out there that are just, like, trying to get, there's GME, new highs. I force each and every single one of you guys to fully understand the process, because in order to have long-term success as a trader, you have to understand the exact reasons why you're entering, where you're entering, and like why you're entering there, how you're going to manage the trade when you're in it, and when and why you're going to exit. In going through these exercises with you guys, where I say, what do you think? It gets you thinking, and the reason I do that is so that it can build the confidence for you, so that when you're in these trades, to execute appropriately. Because there's a lot of mistakes that people will make if they don't think that way. So, quite honestly, I don't care if it's frustrating. I don't care if you don't like it. I have a very, very easy process to get all of you from 0 to 100 in the market. All you got to do is listen and follow it. And if you don't like it, that's fine. Don't expect to have a lot of success in the market. I'm not saying that's you, Yanni. I'm just saying, like, if you want to have different results than everybody else, guys, you got to think and act differently than they do. You know? And that's exactly what we do with LTMP. So if you're serious about learning and building the skills that nobody can take away from you to have long-term success in the market, that's what this is. If you just want to be handed stuff, quit trading. Don't even try. Because it's not going to go well for you. I would say above 28. Why, though? Why above 28? If there's a very specific level on the chart that makes the most sense. It's specific. So I want you to try and find it. Like, this is not some nonsense group. This is a group of serious people that are looking to learn, that are looking to execute in the market as in the most professional manner that they can. And that's why the results are the way that they are. Because the people that listen, you guys see it. We already have a 10xer for this week already. We had 4 or 5 last week. We've had 9 in the last 2.5 weeks. 19 in the last 2 months. You know? GME contract in the money? There you go. I love seeing the Bloomberg notifications that are like, Apple shares extend climb to as much as 4.1% after we've outlined it. And then everybody's already in it up 1,000%. We do have a lot of fun. We do. We have a lot of fun. 40% on GME. There you go. I'm probably close to that right now. My Octobers. 34. A little. Yeah, they're being a little weird on the chain. Once you see it, guys, you can't unsee it, and you're gonna think to yourself, "Why wasn't I doing this the entire time?" And I'm gonna be like, "I don't know. I don't know why you weren't doing this." $49.56. That's why I say above 48. So okay. So Yanni, it's not there. It's right here. You see how this is a big level of resistance on the chart? It's right here. That's first target on Moderna. Then second one is gonna be this one, 30. The gap, the only time that I'll use a gap is when there's not a level. Like not a very obvious one, like there is right here. So 28.58. Am I still interested in core weave? Nah, it's just kind of slowly grinding up. I don't really know where it is right now. I'm not really looking at it. I can, yeah, this is just a slow grind up on a setup that I didn't really like all that much anyway, you know? And this was just a placeholder alert, like I said. Like I wanted this to set up a little bit better. But Yanni, does that make sense? Very obvious level on the chart right here. It's also, it's just like you can just look here, like where's a big level of resistance? Okay, right here, boom. That's where you want to be taking profits. Simple. So sometimes in this example, what I was wondering is, are you wondering about this? Are you wondering about this or this, like these levels? That's where it's like, okay, then I'll come in and help and be like, well, this one makes the most sense for us right now. If you have really short dated contracts, all right, maybe you can go for 27.80. But that's the level you want to look for on Moderna. Wow. Guys, 1,200% on Apple. Kevin. Love it. Nobody else has the results that we do over here, guys. It's not even close. Not even close. EA looks good, a little wiki. Why is nobody else teaching this method? I have no idea, guys. I don't know why more people don't trade the way we do. It's just this, like, I'm going to make a video at some point, too. Like, everybody's like, oh, day trading because prop firms and people don't have enough money to trade. Or you could just come in and turn, like, $100 into $1,300 with one of these trades. Like, I don't get it, man. Like, you're going to go into the market trading short time frame. I really do like EA here, though. With no edge and expect to have success. Like, you guys do realize that the margin for error for what we do is massive, right? Like, just think about the last 2 months here. You've had 19 10x trades. You know how many of those that you guys would have needed to hit in order to give yourself a massive buffer? 1. If you hit 2, it's like, like go watch the Instagram video and just look at the math. It's or a TikTok. It's like, you could be a real dum-dum in the market trading this way too, but we're not going to, obviously. ASTS popping again? Or pooping again? Popping or pooping? Popping. Let's say someone hates swings and wants to day trade, even using your method, they can paper hand it the same day and do better than day trading. That is also true. But there's no reason to hate swing trading. Like, there literally is no reason. The only thing that you really got to worry about is if you're trading shares and there's a gap. That's it. You predefine your risk with options. Your position size can be your risk. Oh, you get gap. Okay. You've predefined your risk. It goes to 0. All right. Or it goes 12x. Every single one of you guys can do this too. And seeing a lot of you guys, especially like those of you guys that are new that hop in and start nailing these like instantly, it's like that's the best thing. It's just a testament to how simple this is, how effective it is, and just how amazing it's going to continue to be with LTMP. It's just, there's nothing like it. Nothing like it. GME flirting there. It did break that high, which I do like to see. NUS. What's this? Ooh, that's a nasty looking chart. I didn't see this one. I mean, this is a weird one because like you got levels from far back. This would probably be more of a share trade that you'd be targeting 14. A lot of people in there are spoiled, so spoiled. Yeah, like guys, the people that hang around here long enough are thinking that like these types of like gains that I'm handing out are like normal. This is so abnormal. Like SMCI. It still looks okay, yeah. I mean, the early break, the initial kind of like early entry there was like 46.50. The true one's 47 from the watch list. So if you missed it, you're still waiting on that one. I have a tiny little bit of it, but that's size for 0. Having a good day. Oh, Moderna losing it a little there. Uh-oh. GME looks really good, though. Where's Lockheed? Is Lockheed still cruising up there a little? Man, just chilling. TSM. We could look at TSM. Yeah, see, we already did our dirty work here on, I gotta unlock this, because this was where the entry was, I think, right around here. On the weekly breakout on TSM. That was a really fun one. I probably wouldn't do it up here, because it's just a little wonky, and I don't like this candle. Again, I'm looking for perfect, guys. Like, I'm always looking for the perfect setup. Made 100% on ASTS on Friday in just an hour. Could have made more, but 100% is great too. Exactly. Exactly. And you guys haven't even seen the post-earnings fire off. Like, there are times, guys, where it's like in 5 minutes you're up 200%. It's like, ding, there you go. Make it free. Right amount. And then you hit like an Oracle 5,000%er on post-earnings, and it's like, SCB, how did you do that? It's like, I've been telling you. It's not that difficult. Just listen. That's all you gotta do. Google on watch. What's Google doing? Is that moving around? Google was another 1,000%er from, I forget what the setup was, but it was in here somewhere. He was in there somewhere. HPQ on the weekly setting up. Hewlett Packard. Or no, what is this? No, I don't, probably not. No, you're just right under the 200. I'd leave that alone. I'd leave that alone. Lockheed just grinding on the weekly. Looks great on the daily. Yeah, I don't really like HPQ. GME looking for a little something something. Hello. Look at that. Bing. Thanks. Thanks, guys. There you go. VKTX wants to launch. It's not bad. It's just like, it's biotech, and I don't really like screwing around with those. You know? He will be here all week. It's so funny, the people from, see, I kind of regret tweeting the GME chart because, like, the whole point of me making a new Twitter account is so that I didn't have all of those randos on, like, just, like, there's people that were just, like, so unwilling to learn, and now they're coming back, and I'm just like, I mean, if you guys are willing to learn this time around, fine, you guys can hop into LTMP, and that's fine. You guys can learn the skills to have long-term success, which I don't think is anybody on the stream right now, but, like, I thought it would be fun. I thought it would be fun to start tweeting about GME and this trade setup, which, like, it is. But, like, this tweet's getting a little out of hand. It's getting a little out of hand. Like, it's like 180 likes on it. I didn't realize that people were gonna take that seriously. I have to tweet that. I have to tell them I'm not being serious. You gave him hope? I said it on the private stream that I'm trolling. I was like, guys, let's go have some fun. I didn't realize that they were gonna be that silly. It was directly off the weekly watch list. I tweeted that out too. It's just a trade. Like, guys, look, weekly watch list. Here you go. Where is it? GME, what's the level? 2648. There you go. These are the fun ones though. Like remember the Wall Street Bets week where we had the 6,300% Coles, the 1,000% AEO, the 3,500% DNUT. Like, these can get really fun, which is why I'm kind of playing around with them. You retweeted it? Yeah, Dawn, you're not helping. I don't care. Views are views. Whatever, man. They want to come around, watch the streams again. 10 more likes on my tweet? For what? For what? You're talking about MOAS happen? Dude, how can you not think me, of all people, tweeting in all caps, MOAS is happening, GME to the moon, is not a massive troll? I don't understand. How many times have you guys listened to me talk over the last 4 years? Not you guys on the stream, but like Twitter people. Whatever, man. I'm just gonna keep handing out 1,000%ers like candy. Let them be our exit. Guys, I tried. Honestly, if we're being completely honest, going for 200 likes, stop. To be completely honest, when I tweeted out this weekend, hey, if you guys get 100 likes on this tweet and 50 retweets, like I've handed out this X amount of 1,000% gain trades, I'll give you guys some more. GameStop was the first one on the list that I was going to outline for everybody. Literally the first one. That might have been the only one that I was going to do. Everybody just loves to chase. They get in late. They do all of these things. They wait for prices to go up for LTMP. Like, they just wait. They just don't take action, which is why I reward all of you guys so heavily that take action. You know? Yeah, welcome. There's a lot of you guys hopping into LTMP today too. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're going to get you guys up to speed very quickly. What about AMC? Who cares? Who cares? It's not setting up. It's garbage. If it sets up like a good trade, I will trade it. It sucks here. Well, it's not bad. It is kind of setting up, but GameStop's perfect. That's textbook. Like, you can't, it doesn't matter what this is. This could be on Lucid. This could be on a ticker called Scam. Like, if it was setting up like this, I'm going to trade it. It's perfect. This is another great example, guys, of why I'm able to hand out 19 10x trades in the last 2 months, 9 of them coming in the last 2.5 weeks. Like, this is how I'm doing it. We can never tweet about. I swear, I'm gonna go on my Twitter right now and there's gonna be 1 million more likes on it. Yeah, you guys are, these people are just like, because here's the thing. This is what I talk about a lot with everybody. And it's like, so many people are going out into the market and just looking for these like lottery ticket type trades that have a really bad risk to reward profile on it. Meaning that for the amount of money that people are putting in, it doesn't really matter what happens with the outcome is. The risk of it just collapsing is way too high to take that risk. And especially when I come out here and show you guys the results of the most epic trades firing off every single week. We've already had a 10xer this week, and it's Monday. Apple, there you go, 1,200%. It's like the results and the returns that you guys are looking for are right in front of you. It's like right here. This is where they are, and you're just like, hey, what, are they over here? And I'm just like, they're literally right in front of your face. And the fact that people are just still gonna do all that nonsense. Did I say shark? Whoops. SMC? Is that a ticker, John? What are you referring to there? Lulu DeQuavius, I'm not the biggest fan. I see what you're looking at. It's not bad. Like, think about it. Think about it like this. Do you think that I would do anything else besides what we do after you guys have seen almost 20 10x plus trades in the last 2 months, 9 of them in the last week? Why would I do anything else? Like, seriously, why would we do anything else? We wouldn't. It logically wouldn't make sense to. And they're just going to keep happening. So, all right, guys. It is 11:47. We went a little bit overtime today. I'm going to throw the link for LTMP in the live chat here for you guys. Again, prices are going up again significantly next week. If you guys want to lock in the lower rate, meaning the price you join at never goes up on you, hop in, use code September, get 50% off your first month, and we'll get you up to speed so that you guys can then be the next round of success stories. Because I've said it before, I've said it again, I'm just going to keep showing up every single day and showing you guys the results of the most epic trades firing off in the market. You just hit 202 likes. Stop it. Stop doing that. Okay, stop liking the tweet. All right, guys. Docu, I'll take a look at that because that was running a little bit there, wasn't it, for a while? Good setup. Hit some good targets there, but now it's just kind of setting up again. I'm not doing anything with this. So, awesome start to the week, guys. Really, really great start with you guys in LTMP. Again, those of you guys that nailed Apple, amazing. We had, where's Moderna right now? Is it still looking okay? Yeah, Moderna's still looking great. Lockheed looking pretty good. You've got a couple other names moving pretty decently here too. Guys, again, I say this a lot. Like, we're doing things that the trading community has literally never seen before. So I understand that it looks crazy, but everything that's new and better than everything else looks crazy at the start. It's like, well, a lot of people, YouTube didn't even think it was possible to do this. They demonetized me for talking about these. So, have a great rest of your day, guys. I'm going to be posting some, started with about $2,800, just broke $10,000 today. Love you, Jack. Vito, congratulations. IONQ was another one. That was the 5,000 percenter from last week, guys. So, all right, I'll see you guys in LTMP. I'm going to be posting some Instagram and TikTok videos for you guys. Make sure you guys are on the lookout for those. I'll probably post a couple of them on YouTube as well, YouTube Shorts. Great work, guys. We're just going to keep doing this. It's going to be, I can't wait to see all of you guys coming in there and then just being like, oh my God, it's this simple? Yes. All right, folks. I will see you guys later. Hit that like button on the way out.